Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Consonant sounds 2. Seat, sister, bus, class, glasses, city, circle, pencil, place, police, signs, scissors. Seat. Next. Summer in the city. Have you seen my glasses? So I'll see you in the same place next Saturday. I saw your sister on the bus yesterday. My science lesson were the most interesting. Gifts, sisters, easy, husband, rose, zoo, zero, size, scissors, yes. What time does the zoo close? My favorite music is jazz. Really? Well, it's always interesting, but it is not always easy to listen to. Roses are my favorite flowers. Shop, fashion, case, price, wash, mushroom, ocean, machine, delicious, special, sugar, sure, Russia, international. This is a very special pronunciation machine. All our food is fresh and we serve delicious international specialities. You didn't put sugar in my tea, did you? No. Are you sure? Television Asia usually. Do you like sport? Yes, but only on television usually. Chips, choose, march, which, future, question, cuts, watch, kitchen. Which question did you choose in the exam? The picture in the kitchen is by a chess artist. Jam, jacket, gents, job, jet, general, age, large, fridge. Who's that wearing a large orange jacket? There is some juice in the fridge. Let's week are a bridge between people. More, lemon, swim, film, sometimes. Summer, calm, autumn. I sometimes in summer, more for you, most for me, in the middle of the film. New, now, sun, one, gone, dinner, sunny, new, now, knife, a sunny afternoon, sun and moon, 9 months. Evening, long, sing, singer, think, bang, thanks, think, uncle, angry, finger, hungry, longer, single. I thinking about things, a long evening singing songs. Head, here, help, hot, how, behind, who, whose, who, our, Anis. Hi, hello, how are you? Whose hat is this? It's hot in here. We had a whole month's holiday. Can you help me for half an hour? Who is who? Is he there? Have you seen him? Has he got time? Do you know her? He went to visit his family. Learn, live, Lenswick, lovely. Alone, feel, help, English. Tall, well, yellow. People, simple, uncle, little. Half, talk, good. When shall we leave? Are you alone? How do you feel? Can I help you? Look at those lovely little yellow flowers. Learning a language can be difficult for some people. Read, ready, really, write, wrote, room, very, sorry, rap, wrist, write, written, wrote. What are you reading? I'm really sorry. Your room isn't ready. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Too much writing makes my wrist ache. Traveling by ferry. Wrapping presents for Christmas. Weak, wet, way, warm, well, weather, windy, away, always. 12. Swim, white, which, were, Lenswick. 1. Lenswick question, quite square. Answer to who, right, wrong. Swimming in warm water. 21 words. What's the answer? Quarter to 12 on Wednesday. 22 Lenswick. The wrong word. The whole word. Question and answer. Where will you be waiting? Yes, yesterday, year, young, usual, student, university, new, few, interview, beautiful, Q, Europe. A young university student, a beautiful view, waiting in a queue for an interview. The European Union. I usually walk to work, but I used the car yesterday.